Open your browser and go to claude.ai/download. This is the official source for the installer. Once the page loads, scroll a bit and click the Download for Windows button. You may receive an MSIX package or a traditional .exe file. Both are official and will work to set up the app on your PC. Locate the downloaded file in your browser's history or your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard to choose your install location and confirm the setup. Once the installation on your computer is complete, on the first launch, sign in using your Google account or a magic link. The app might briefly redirect you to your browser to verify your identity before taking you back to the desktop interface. If the installer stalls, ensure you have a stable internet connection and close any other heavy programs. If you see a security warning about apps outside the Microsoft Store, go to your privacy and security settings and allow app installations from anywhere or trusted sources to proceed. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.